Hello there. If you click this video, first thing I want to say is thanks for dropping by. Hope we're all feeling good and wonderful and sexy. Vlogging is something that I have been thinking about and I've been curious about for a while. So that's something we're gonna experiment with on this video. So come with me, let's talk. So I just want to drop a few disclaimers before I continue wasting more of your time. One, I really don't know what the I'm doing yet. Two, this could be the first episode and only episode, or it could be the first of 100 episodes. Why do I keep changing the angle? And three, this will be all over the place. What do I mean? I need to find my own format, I need to find my own cliche, my own thing. There's so many types of vloggers. There's travel vloggers, they're like in front of the camera talking to 15-minute vloggers, lifestyle vloggers. So I need to find my own style. There'll probably be a cluster of styles. Some of them will stay, some of them will go, some of them will change over time. And then eventually I'll find the way that I work. Okay? With that said and done, let's go look at the house. Enjoy. So that's where I'm staying. This is the house. It's not bad at all. What do you think? As you can see, the sun is setting behind me. So hold on. The interesting things in Vegas come out at night. So let's go check it out. Let's go to the strip and see what we can find. Here we are, Las Vegas. We're gonna go explore. We're gonna go everywhere. I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like. So let's go. Let's win some shit. Oh, we won! We won! Even I get a spin! We won 60 cents! We're not gonna play anymore! We won 60 cents! Yeah! Dude, I'm gonna. We spent $10, we won 60 cents! Bro, what the fuck? I don't have my hat anymore. I lost it yesterday when I was recording for the strip. So my head looks like a bleached asshole, but we have to live with that for now. But guys, if you made it this far, I want to say thank you for your attention because you've almost made it to the end. It's almost over. So where does it go from here? I don't know. What did you guys think? Do you like it? Would you watch a follow-up? Would you watch, let's say, on a weekly basis? I might give it a shot. Oh. The good thing is, we are on rock bottom. It can only get better from here if there's more. I travel a lot, I get to meet a lot of new people, see a lot of new places, and do a lot of new things. It's just one of those things that would be kind of cool to document. So, if you think this is good and you were entertained, please let me know, leave some feedback either on Facebook or on YouTube, and I will go through it all, and then maybe, just maybe, we'll go through with some more adventures in the future. But until then, take care, you sexy